In today's video, you will learn how to make a Gmail account, or you can call it Google account. So first you will go to google.com, type it in your address bar and then go to sign in. Then you will be required to fill email or phone. But if you are making a new Gmail account, you don't have a Gmail account, you can click on the create account and you can create your account for personal use, for your child, and for your business or work. So I will click on personal use. Most of the people require it for their personal use. So you will click here by entering your first name, your last name, your required username for your email address, and you will give the password here and confirm the password. So let me enter some random things. I will give random password and then random password and next. Oh, let me give a simple password so that I can confirm it. Yeah, yeah. We can click on the next, and then you will be required to enter your phone number if you have one, and you can enter your recover email address, and you will then enter your birthday, your month, your day, and your year, and then you will enter your gender, and then you will click on the next and your account will be created. So for more updates and more tutorials, subscribe to our channel How to Guide It, and you will be amazed to see the upcoming content. So if you like this video, click the like button, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye.